The Division of Revenue introduces measures that seek to enhance policy implementation at a local government level through clauses that allows the National Treasury to reallocate funds in non-performing local municipalities to its district municipalities that have the capacity to spend the funds and to serve the constituencies allocated such budgets. Furthermore, the DORA includes a clause to allow for the conversion of Schedule 5 to Schedule 6 allocations for non-performing local municipalities to ensure national implementation either directly or via another organ of state, including SOEs. These provisions in the DORA bring about a new approach that demands performance from municipalities, and failure of implementation should lead to the state utilizing some of its critical entities to execute the projects because communities lose the most due to municipalities in distress.